Hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm Nolan, and we brought you our second video of Wi-Fi walkie-talkies. So when we started this project, we were looking for ideas, and we used the website hackster.io. We came across the Wi-Fi walkie-talkies, thought it was pretty cool, so went with that. If you want to see this page, just go to Google, and you can type in hackster.io walkie-talkies, and it should come up. Should be the first link. Anyways, so this is a picture of his setup, the guy who originally made this project, and we kind of followed it.
Shout out to David Middlecamp.
Yep, appreciate it, man. So this is more of an intermediate level, gave us a little bit of a challenge, but nothing we couldn't handle. Right here, we have the his setup, and then here's ours. And we decided to solder and use a solder type breadboard as opposed to the traditional breadboard that came with the Photon. Anyways, so things we used for this project. This is basically the same thing. We just ordered it off Amazon, I believe. So of course we had the Photon, we had a speaker, audio amplifier, a microphone, tactile switch, which we didn't have to buy. It came with the SparkFun beginner parts kit that we ordered for the lab, for the instrumentation lab that we had. So, and then of course the breadboards. Code was built. Tony will tell you about that in a minute. Here's the schematic. You go down a little bit. He has some sample code in there. So if you look at the wiring diagram, it's basically the same thing. You can look at the breadboard and just use that schematic. I mean, didn't change anything up. It's basically the exact same thing. And we also printed off a case. This is a SolidWorks file.
That was ours design. It was not in the...
Right, this was not in the...
not in his.
Yeah, in the original. So Tony designed this, and big gigantic case, not gonna break or anything. So we have a top to it too, but this actually took 9 hours to make. So pretty cool stuff. Tony, you want to go over the code?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
All right, so as Nolan mentioned, David had presented us with everything from the build to the code to schematic. So back to his Hackster page, he's got the code right here. So all I have to do is click on that, and it brings you to GitHub. Then you've got your CPP-H, and then your main. From here, all I had to do was go to our Particle Web IDE. And as you can see, I've got all those in there. So there's those 5 codes. Flashed them to our little guy over here. And now we're ready to go. So we will demonstrate. Benjamin, would you come over here and hold this real quick? We're going to go talk to each other, I guess. Yeah, you can leave it. Hey, it's Ben.
Hey.
All right. So I'm going to go. You can stay right there in this. I'm going to go upstairs.
You can just watch me. It's pretty cool stuff right here. Just get the speaker.
Oh, can you hear me?
Hopefully you can hear that on the video. But say that one more time, Tony.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, so you can also adjust the volume on the Tinker app. But so it works. Couldn't really get a video transmitting back, but there you go. So here's the microphone you speak into, and the speaker, and then you have a little tactile switch right here, which you have to press to talk into. Tony should be able to hear me right now. All right, I think that's it for the demonstration, right?
That's it. Now it's party time.
Whoop whoop! Appreciate it.
What did I do?
All right, so we talked about party time, and we only have 4 minutes and 35 seconds, and for the grade it needs to be 5 minutes. So we're gonna do a couple donuts.
We're gonna attempt. Let's see.
Thank you for watching.